Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. This 10-inch Premier Chef's knife from Shun is exactly what I was looking for when I was shopping for an anniversary gift for my husband. He decided he wanted to get into cooking and was insisting that he needed a good knife. Having a good knife in the kitchen is so important. So I reached out to our cousin who is a chef and he suggested this knife for me, and I am so glad that this is the one that I went with. Not only was this the perfect all purpose kitchen knife, but look how beautiful it is. It is a 68 layer Damascus. And my husband and I are kind of knife nerds. So he was so excited when he saw this one. It is good for not only chopping fruits and vegetables or your herbs and spices, but we use this when we're cutting up our turkey for our big turkey dinners that we love to have. My husband got really into smoking meats, so he uses this when he's cutting up our ribs that he's making. Not only is it beautiful, but it's durable. The handle is absolutely gorgeous. Feels so comfortable in the hand. This knife is just a dream to wield. So I think that if you're looking for a high quality all purpose knife to add to your kitchen to make your cooking experience even better, then this one is definitely the knife for you. We love it. I think you're going to really love it too. And that is my point of view.